Hello everyone and welcome to the Bliss for Education. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you the command line tool you should know as the programmer. Right. Firstly, I'm going to show you how to get the command prompt, and the first method it allows to we can simply search and get our command prompt here. And the second method, if you want to open the command prompt in this directory, you can simply click on the address bar. Now you can see the location appear, and if you want to open the new command prompt related to the this location, you can say cmd. Now we can see in here we have the root directory and user Nipun desktop and new folder called the number 3. Right. Okay, so the first line of code we are going to learn very simple. Time. It will appear from the two if you want to change time, or if you can see the time using the command line tool like this. And I'm going to hit enter because I don't want to change time. And the second one, we have the date, and very similar to time. Right, this is basic. And if you want to clean the command prompt, we can simply say the cls command and it will clean our command prompt. The next one, we have the system info. Now you can get the every system document related information related to the system. Actually, I can't show the informations about my systems, but you can try it yourself. Okay, right. The next command, I would like to create a new folder inside the new folder directory. Now you can see in here we have get access to the new folder tree in this file. From this file you need to create a new folder like this. Let's say I need to create mkdir, which means make directory, and now we can give it to the name for our folder. We can say bliss4. Right. Now you can see we have get error message because mkdir make directory. Now you can see it will create the bliss4 file for us. Okay, the command was make directory mkdir. So now we can say I don't want this file, I need to delete it. Okay, rmdir. Now we can give the file name. Now you can see in delete. Keep in mind when you do it using the command prompt, and so be careful it not gonna stored into the inside the vSite company. Okay, it's permanently delete, and you need to very careful. Right, the next command. Okay, so then right, in the next command we have make directory. I'm going to create a new folder, blissful, and also we can create a multiple files. Okay, the let's say like this, blissful, the new file I'm going to create Nippon, and the next file tech technologies. Now see what happened. Now you can see it will prepare for us a 3 files. Okay, so again we can delete the multiple files rem, rm, dir. Now we can name in our files. This one, now you can see it will do it. Right, and now you know how to create files and how to delete files. Right, now I'm going to create some folder structure. If I say we are going to create the folder structure like this. Okay, let's change color. Right, this is a file tree. The first tree we have the blissful. Okay, here this is our main file. Okay, let's get new layer. Okay, this is not a Photoshop tutorial, but you can get the clear idea what we are going to do now. So right, here is the our main file. Inside this file we have 2 files. If we are say blissful, no, if you are say technology 1, we don't make any space, so that case we need to sometimes we need to produce some space. We can leave the underscore. Okay, right. Inside this folder, our main folder blissful, inside this folder we have it's divided into the 2 file categories, technology 1 and technology 2. And let's create new file. This is our file tree. Right, and gd right. Now in here we can HTML this file this file, it's gonna be, it's called CSS, and this file gonna be JavaScript. Okay, let's say JS. Right, now you can see here we are the simple folder structure, and we have the main folder we call it Bliss4, and it's divided into the two sections, the first technology and second technology 2. In under the first technology we have the GD, which means graphic design, and it's divided into the animations, and the second technology part, it's divided into the three sessions. We have the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is very basic for the structure, and let's see how it's gonna work in the command prompt. Okay, so our main file, our root file, we have already created, we called Bliss4. Now I'm going to navigate into my main folder. So how is it work? CD and Bliss4. Now we are inside the Bliss4 file. Okay. If you want to change the directory, you can use the cd command. Okay, now inside this folder we need to make the technology 1. Okay, now mk dir _1, and we can also give the second folder name right. Now you can see the error, we use md. Oh shit, again mkdir now you can see it will gives us two files. Right, now I'm going to, let's see our folder structure. Now I need to go to our technology one file. Okay, how it's work, and we can see cd change directory, right. Now we are inside the technology file. Right, inside this file we need to create GD design and let's create file mkdir GD design and right. Now I need to come to the one step back from the technology one file. Okay, let's see. You can use cd command, and one step back you can use the double dot, and now you can see we get our Bliss4 folder, get into the Bliss4 file, Now here in this file we need to change the directory into the technology 2. Now we can say again cd technology 2. Oh, right. We have some mistake. Be careful what you are typing. Right, now we inside the technology 2 file, and in this file we need to prepare 3 files. First one for HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, mkdir make directory HTML, CSS and Java. Okay, right. If we want to see the file tree, we can simply set trwd. Now you can see the inside this folder, this location, from this location we have the 3 files. First one CSS, HTML and JavaScript. Let's check it out. Right, now you can see we have the 3 files. If you want to get one step back, you can use double dot cd and double dot, and it will takes us one step back. Right, and now I will show the one tip for the right. I will show you how to hide the files if you want, using the command prompt. And the first I'm going to show the which files inside my directory. We can use the dir tag and it will shows us the files, which files have inside this directory. Right, now you can see we have the technology 1 and 2 from this blissful directory. Right, if you want to change the directory into the 2, we can use cd command, and right, now we are inside the technology 2 file. Again use the dir command to see the which files inside it. Right, now you can see we have the CSS file, HTML file and JavaScript file. Right, and this file okay, so if I say now I'm going to hide files, how to hide the files. Now I'm going to show the how to hide the files. Okay, so if you want to say I want to hide the CSS file, now you can use the @attrib plus h plus s plus r. and now we need to give the folder name, right? Let's say css dash or hyper and height. Okay, again. Now you can see css file hide, and if you want to show the file, we can use the same command within the minus sign and attrib minus h minus s and minus r. Now we can give the file name. Now you can see the file reveal. Right, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I will see you in the new tutorial, and bye for now. Thank you for watching this tutorial, guys.